Good evening and warm welcome to Power News, your window to the power sector. I'm Juhi Rajput. This is an exclusive episode we're bringing for you on Elecrama 2014. The 11th edition of the world's largest power transmission and distribution exhibition, Elecrama 2014, held at Bangalore International Exhibition Centre, showcased the latest equipments and technologies in power transmission and distribution sector. The 5-day expo was world's largest one-stop shop for power transmission, distribution, electrical and industrial electronics. Manufacturers, traders, utilities, consultants and decision makers from over 100 countries converged at Elecrama 2014. Market leaders with the latest products from the field of power transmission and distribution, lighting, building automation and energy efficiency showcased their products. Here is a report by correspondent Amita. As the largest confluence of power T&D sector ranging from 110 volts to 1200 kV, HVDC and power electronics, Elecrama offers an international framework for display, discussions and deliberations amongst global T&D fraternity, comprising of business, thought leaders, technologists and professionals from the utilities, industry and academia.
The product segments are from 11 volts to 1200 kilovolts. You have the smallest of the line manufacturer, a small product which is used, a meter manufacturer, component manufacturers. So anything and everything what the T&D sector needs for this is here. And you have the biggies. You have all the biggies of the world who are showcasing their products. As regards traders, I'm sure all their principals, their leading MNCs are displaying their products, and for the end consumer he can get a one-stop shop to see maximum equipments here.
Elecrama 2014, with the special theme of Go Global, showcased the strengths and capabilities of Indian manufacturers and the global competitiveness of electrical equipment manufactured in India.
Elecrama 2014 was 11th edition of IEEMA's mega event. You see, the main purpose of keeping Go Global theme was to showcase the strength of the Indian electrical industry to the world. And definitely we've been able to show India's capability to the world by inviting more than 500 sponsored visitors from 66 countries. And also we had a lot of delegations from Africa, Middle East and Latin America who visited the exhibition to see the Indian products. And I feel that Indian electrical industry has been putting a lot of effort in promoting exports of Indian products and services, and we have been quite successful. That's why our exports has reached a level of $4.5 billion for 2012-2013, which is approximately 1% of the world market share.
Indian electrical equipment manufacturers across the entire T&D value chain, conforming to global standards, came together to showcase their frugal engineering, development and manufacturing capabilities in the exhibition.
Elecrama 2014 has definitely benefited the entire Indian electrical industry, as we had overseas buyers which have shown a lot of interest in buying Indian electrical equipments. They went around the exhibition, a lot of inquiries were generated within the country from buyers for various power utilities as well as from overseas buyers, and I'm pretty sure during the course of time, I think we'll be able to do fairly good amount of business within the country and outside the country, looking at the funding and the need of the hour for power transmission and distribution segment. I think we have been able to convey a message to the world that India can produce world-class products at the most economical prices.
Elecrama 2014 featured products and technology through the entire voltage spectrum and benefited Indian manufacturers on brand visibility, generating business leads from new domestic and foreign buyers and creating industry relationships and partnerships.
The equipment made by the Indian manufacturers do meet global standards and have given India a reliable and a robust network, working with constraints which most markets do not even see. Having said that, in India the concept of frugal engineering is anything that is fit for purpose. Whereas in the global market, people tend to look beyond fit for purpose in terms of aesthetics, presentation, etc., which is what some of the Indian manufacturers are lacking. Elecrama offers them an opportunity to compare their own products vis-a-vis the others displayed by some of the global companies, and gives them an opportunity to see where is that they are lacking to improve it. There is no doubt on the quality or the engineering competence of the Indian product. It is merely the presentation and how the company presents itself that makes a difference.
The world's largest power transmission and distribution confluence, Elecrama 2014, was an event that marked its tryst with history, yet again surpassing its earlier edition in terms of complete value generation to every stakeholder and partner who have been a part of this movement of epic proportions.
Today in this program, we are bringing for our viewers reports and interviews of some Indian electrical equipment manufacturers creating world-class products and solutions for meeting global needs. During Elecrama, many companies launched new products and showcased their innovations. Larsen & Toubro is one of those very few companies which have strong capabilities to launch fully indigenous solutions. L&T stall at Elecrama 2014 displayed many new products under power gears, control gear, energy management system, industrial automation, electrical monitoring and control system for substation automation, building automation, process automation, SCADA solutions for different industry verticals. Larsen & Toubro, leaders in low voltage switchgear and total solution provider in the electrical and automation space, displayed an array of innovative products, systems and solutions for the current and future needs at Elecrama 2014.
This time the theme has been touching lives. And when we say touching lives, literally in every walk of or every segment of business we are operating in, be it utility, be it industry, be it buildings, be it rural. So I think each of these areas we are trying to focus on, and instead of offering devices which we have offered in the past many a times, we are trying to showcase solutions for each of these segments.
The highlight of the display was L&T's in-house design products and solutions in the areas of distribution, protection, control and monitoring, including communication with building management systems.
During this year, we brought out several new products, and the approach has been more in terms of providing integrated solutions than standalone products and devices. So a lot of effort has gone into it. There is a complete offering, a solution for the final distribution products which we are launching in this exhibition. There is auto transfer switch solutions which are available using various devices which are on offer. There's a new switchboard which has been made for the franchisees, that's on offer. There are new relays which we have offered, the feeder protection and the motor protection relays, which are being shown for the first time.
This series of final distribution products ensures highest level of safety and convenience to the end users, as well as offers safety and reliability. It combines both conventional and intelligent system solution in a simplistic way for the purpose of main distribution of electrical energy.
What is here being exhibited is a comprehensive range of final distribution products, including the protection devices across right up to 125 ampere, earth leakage products going right up to 125 amp, control devices running through entire gamut of devices. There are control and monitoring devices. So we have an entire comprehensive range, and it gets complemented well with the new range of enclosures which we are offering.
Another highlight of display was smart meters and remote meter reading for residential and commercial meters through low power radio. In this system, data can be collected from meters in individual homes or commercial establishments directly to a data center without any manual intervention.
As far as India is concerned, at an early stage, but I think certain countries in the Western Europe, as also in the United States, have switched over to this technology some time ago. In India, we have quite a few pilots which have happened in the last couple of years, and they are fairly successful. It can do power outage management, it can do demand response, it can integrate with the renewable sources of energy which are available. It can curtail the loads just in case the meter bill has not been paid. You can do real-time pricing. Today our pricing gets driven by the billing cycles. You can actually change on the day you want to change the pricing, and it works your way.
The other new and significant products showcased include medium voltage gas and air insulated switchgear in fixed and draw out vacuum circuit breaker versions with high degree of safety, advanced technical reliability, low maintenance cost, compact space requirement and instinctive user management.
This panel essentially displays integration. You can control it from remote using a touch screen, using your iPad, using your iPhone and things of that kind. So you get a full control So it's more like making intelligent switchgear solutions than just switchgear solutions. So you get to have much more control, much more friendly control, and lot more parameters to control than we have ever controlled in the past. It can display to you power factor, it can display to you the metering, it can display to you the active power, it can display to you the reactive power, the current in each of the phase, the voltage, and empowers you to take right decisions which would help finally you achieve the right objectives, what you want for your plant.
For the agriculture segment, L&T has showcased in-house designed M-Power, a device that helps operate a water pump starter through a mobile phone. The system can perform in diverse geographies under extreme environmental conditions and operates through a GSM device end. Another attraction at the display was L&T's in-house designed and developed solar-powered portable lantern Diva. The fully charged lamp is capable of emitting uninterrupted light for up to 10 hours at maximum brightness and as much as 40 hours in night mode. This rechargeable off-the-grid innovative device offers several significant advantages over conventional solar lanterns and is a must-have for areas facing perpetual power shortages. Here we'll take a short break, but there is a lot more on the other side. Stay tuned.
Indian Energy Exchange, India's premier power trading platform.
From manufacturing of energy cables to EHV installations to renewable energy solutions to retail energy products, our technology energizes lives. Ravin, energizing lives.
चाहिए क्या करेगा?
पढ़ूंगा। रात को बंद तो नहीं होगा?
2 दिन तक पढ़ पाएगा।
L&T Diva Solar Lantern with built-in mobile charger. चले कई रात बस एक चार्ज पर.
Power Grid Corporation of India, the central transmission utility, world-class integrated global transmission company with dominant leadership in emerging power market, ensuring reliability, safety and economy. Power Grid, building a smarter grid.
Welcome back. Ravin Group, established in the year 1950, is one of India's fastest growing business groups. The group comprises companies managing diverse business interests in the power and energy sector. During Elecrama 2014, Ravin displayed several innovative products in energy, power cable, power equipment, renewable energy and retail outlet segment. Our correspondent Prajna spoke to Ravin representative during Elecrama 2014. Let's take a look.
I am here at Ravin Group stall at Elecrama 2014. Ravin Group has come up with many innovative products this year at Elecrama. I have with me Mr. Bharat Kotak, who is the director of Ravin Infra, and Mr. Pratham Karya. Hello, Mr. Kotak.
Hi.
So what innovation are you showcasing today here at Elecrama?
We are introducing something called Transact, which is an online moisture removal unit which gets installed on a transformer and enhances the life of a transformer by a few years. The second thing that we're introducing is dual axis trackers, which helps in generating more energy from the same panels. And the third innovative solution that we have come up with is retail energy solutions like power banks, solar chargers and solar lanterns for portable products.
How does this transit system help in removing moisture content from a particular transformer, and how does it enhance the performance?
This Transact system that we're manufacturing here in India is installed on a transformer, wherein the transformer oil is fed in through the bottom of this unit. It passes through a sensor which gives you an input ppm along with the temperature. Then it passes through these cylinders where the moisture from the oil is absorbed. Later there's a deaerator, there's a particulate filter which filters all the fibers that are in the oil. and then again passes through an output sensor which gives the output ppm and the temperature in this monitor. Then it's pumped back into the transformer.
You are showcasing solar tracker this year. So how does this tracker enhance the efficiency of a particular solar panel?
These dual axis trackers are always oriented towards the sun, so the sun's rays are always falling perpendicular. Due to this, it is ensured that the generation is 25 to 30% more.
Raveen is coming up with retail outlets of solar products. So which are these products?
Raveen has recently introduced itself into the very lucrative market of solar chargers, power banks and home lighting systems.
What is power bank and how does it work?
Our power bank has a variety of ranges, which is a digital power bank which has a digital LED display. We have one of the slimmest power bank in the world, which is 6 mm thick. We have a power bank which is 3-in-1 that consists of an MP3 player, torch as well as power bank. And we have quite a few ranges of emergency power banks which can charge your electronic devices on an emergency time.
Raveen has also come up with solar lighting solutions for rural areas. So what are its features?
Raveen has two types of solar lighting solutions. One which has a 35 LED with a very bright light, 3-watt light as well as a 2-watt panel. This has two things that it can do two things. One, it can give you light as well as it can charge your mobile phone at least 2 times. The other has a 3-watt light, LED light, having a 2-watt panel and which can also charge your phone 2 times.
Market leaders with their latest products from the field of power transmission and distribution, lighting, building automation and energy efficiency showcase their products at Elecrama 2014.
It's time for another short break. We have more innovations on the other side of the break. Keep watching Power News.
Indian Energy Exchange, India's premier power trading platform.
Jal, jal, jal.
जल से जल तक, मेगा वाटर से मेगावाट्स तक, SJVN Limited.
Power Finance Corporation, the most preferred financial institution, providing affordable and competitive products and services with efficient and internationally integrated sourcing. PFC, partnering the reforms in the Indian power sector.
Welcome back. Established in 1970 as a fasteners manufacturing unit in India and with an annual turnover of $48 million, Supreme and Company has been exporting its products since 1975. The company sells products for power transmission and distribution up to the range of 1200 kV, besides construction, railways, telecom and engineering industries. To talk on company's various product range and growth plan, we have with us Mr. Harish Kumar Agarwal, CEO of Supreme and Company. Good evening, Mr. Agarwal, and welcome to Power News.
Good evening.
First of all, I'd like to ask you, what is the product range Supreme offers and which all segments in T&D sector it caters to?
So we are basically operating in broad T&D segment for power. We have a very large range of products and services on offer for this particular range. On manufacturing, we are doing insulator hardware. That's the hardware that goes in connecting insulator with the towers with the conductor and insulators. We have very large range of substation connectors, various kind of steel structures that are used in electrical transmission distribution industry. We are trying to offer a lot of new age solutions in this range, like fittings for the high temperature low sec conductor. We are also providing end-to-end solution in fiber optic domain for transmission line corridor, like OPGW and ODSS, where we provide complete end-to-end service apart from manufacturing a large range of accessories.
Now tell us about the products you're showcasing in Elecrama 2014.
We are displaying a lot of compact line solution concepts. We are displaying a lot of smart grid concepts. We are displaying a lot of emergency restoration ideas, which is purely an import content. We want to go in for import substitution. We are displaying hardware fitting for high tensile low sag, which is again an import substitution exercise into India.
What is your company's USP which makes it different from other players in the sector?
Supreme's difference is market-driven approach. We believe in marketing, not in selling. Everybody in Supreme works at marketing, whether it's producing, whether it's designing, and we don't have any focus on sales. Sales is a natural consequence of marketing exercise well done.
Mr. Agarwal, lastly, I'd like to know about your future plan.
Our growth plans, first of all, our growth plans are very qualitative instead of quantitative. We don't believe in top line growth. We very highly focused on meeting customers' qualitative needs, the particular problems they are facing, and the new concepts that are emerging all over the world. We are keeping ourselves abreast of the same, of the latest development, and we are trying to bring those developments to the customer.
Thanks, Mr. Agarwal, for joining us in Power News.
Thank you. Pleasure is all mine.
Founded in 1973, Yamuna Power and Infrastructure Limited is undertaking international solutions for the power cable jointing system. In spite of global slowdown, company has shown remarkable result in increasing its export share in African and Middle East region. To talk in detail, we have with us Mr. Ravi Sardana, Director, Yamuna Power and Infra. Mr. Sardana, Yamuna Power has showcased and launched several products during previous Elecramas. What are the highlights of Elecrama 2014?
Well, this time focus is on cold shrinkable and pre-molded products. As heat shrinkable has been in this business, our core business, for over 30 years now. So now it's the time for technology shift, and we're looking at launching pre-molded and cold shrink products.
Tell us about your product range and which all segments of transmission and distribution sector it caters to.
Primarily, our company started as a distribution products, but now we have ventured and diversified in transmission products as well. We have for transmission line polymeric insulators up to 400 kV, which have been type tested for the design and performance at international labs like Chessie, KEMA, and also CPRI in India.
Currently, the entire industry is facing a slowdown. What growth rate do you expect in near future?
In bad times as well, we have done 20%. So in good times, we expect better than that. But our success has also largely been not purely relying on only domestic market. We have a lot of export sales which offset the downturn and the negative sentiments that's in the market. But having said that, our sales in domestic market as well hasn't dropped. It has only been going up.
I'd like to know what has been the X factor for such a sustainable growth rate for Yamuna Power and Infra?
Value for the shareholders, value for producers, and value for the consumers. That has been our USP. Giving them world-class products at a price which is affordable and products which are made in India, so locally available.
Thanks, Mr. Sardana, for joining us in Power News. India is a vital component in this multinational economic force. Rich in intellectual capital, India is fast emerging as a destination for businesses seeking world-class products and services. India is now emerging as a manufacturing and sourcing hub for electrical and electronics equipment and components, which are made to international specifications and are ratified and recommended by leading consultants for the quality and reliability. Elecrama 2014 rendered innumerable business opportunities and a focused path to discover a dynamic new environment waiting to be explored. With this, we come to an end of this episode of Power News. Keep sending us your suggestions and views at info@indianpowernews.com or call us on 011-405-60701. I'll be back next week with more news and updates. Till then, goodbye and take care.